Hello guys, how are you doing? How have you been? Hope mmekuwa fine, mmekuwa fit. My good name is Lilian Mwente and I am happy to be with you here guys, and thank you for supporting me, and thank you for always coming watching my videos, liking them and also commenting on my amazing videos. Guys, as I always tell you, kama kuna mahali nakosea, kuna mahali mnaona I am doing a lot, like you are just free to tell me anything you want me to know about my videos or my uploads, my nini, you can just let me know. So guys, as you have seen on the video and also on the thumbnail, today I'm going to show you how to do a door mat, like a handmade door mat, zile mat za mlango ama za anywhere to, but mat. So guys, there are two different of mats za kushona kwa mkono, that is ant, meaning you do it with your own hand, not a machine. Kuna za kutumia crochet, of which a crochet tunatumia mesh, like kale ka kitu kana ka tusuka hivi, na pia kuna kutumia punch needles ambayo natumia na ngunia. So guys, on this video I am going to show you just a simple way. Like guys, for me, I knew this like when during COVID 2019 up to 2019 up to 2020 ndo nilijifunza kushona mat. So guys, what you need is this mark pen. Is a mark pen. And what is mark pen for? It is for marking, ama kama you are doing a mat and you are like, let me just show you this one. This is my mat. I am working on it right now. This is color 1040, I think 1042, 1081, and this is my gunia I'm using. I don't know if you can see it clearly. So this is the gunia I am using. This is a rest gunia, and for me, I prefer doing drawings than writings, but I do use this for drawings, also for writing, to make sure like umeziandika vizuri, kama drawings umechora vizuri, like haina shida. So I do use this. Mostly for me, I just use gunias because I use punch needle, and I do drawings over here. As you can see, I have knitted just right from here back. This is the back side, this is the front side. You can see it is very good, na mechanical fluffy somehow. And also I'm going to use also this is my punch needle. Hii yangu ilikuwa like za kitambo, zilikuwa like aku comfortable na kushona because ilikuwa inakuumiza mikono. So I decided to use this is my hairband, nilikatanisha. This is how it looks like. Za kitambo zilikuwa zinakaa, maana zingine zilikuwa na kitu ya comfortable ya kushikilia hapa, but due to kuchoka mkono sana ukishikilia hapa, I decided to kuifunga na hii. This is my hairband to ikuwe comfortable nikidunga. And this is my string I was using. This is a string, like the remaining string of this. Remember, in this punch needles kuna small na kuna big size. For the small size, this is the smallest size, you use this small size of string. For the bigger one, you use the big string. This goes for 65 bob, one goes, I think this for 120, 130 hapo. So guys, unaweka uzi yako hapa. This is kakitu ya fagio. This is just something for fagio because it is very thin and it can enter inside through here. So, and lazima itoke hapa. Mnaona hapa hivi kuna kashimo. Let me just demonstrate for you. So this is a string, this is the smallest size. Let me just put it muone. Unaingiza from here behind. Then because wezi sukume kaenda mpaka kwa mbele, you use this. Me I prefer using these nini za kifagio because they are very thin. Unasukuma hiyo huzi mpaka inatokea hapa. Unaona? You see imetokea hapa. This is the string over here. Ndio hapa imetokea. Unaishikilia ndio isitoke na unatoa hizi wa kamuti. Then after that, na ndio imebaki hapa hivi kuna kashimo. Unajua mnakaona aka hapa. So this kashimo over here ingiza hii uzi inatokelezea hapo, sika shimo dogo, it cannot so enter through. Unaona, ikishaingia kadogo tu unaivuruta. This is how it should look like. Unaingiza from behind, inatokelezea hapa. So ukianza kushona unavuruta kidogo hivi, you push it back a little, then unaishika hivi even unaishikanga kama kalamu. And unaona this part from here to here is very smooth, kuna kitu kimeweka paka boundary. So ukishona una make sure ukidunga gunia yako imefika to this point kabla hujainua. Let me just show you. This is my gunia. I am going to knit from behind. This is the behind part. Well, hii ni kazi. So unaona sasa nikidunga, unaona imetokea sana, you see, inatokea to that like hii yote imetokea. So ukivuruta na nyuma usivuruta kwa nguvu sana, you just do it slowly. Maana unaweza kutengeneza kitu hapa juu like around something. Unaona ndio hiyo imebaki, ndio this one over here. Yeah, that's how we do it. For me nimalizana na hii ni kala ya hii kala ya ni brown ama ni gani? Yes, but that's how you do it. Na ukishika unaishika ukiwa makini sana. Una make sure haita kudunga mahali because hii kitu ni very sharp, inaweza kudunga. So hivi ndio unafanya, unaitoa kidogo na ukitoa usinue sana, isitoe hiyo kanini yote. Make sure unainua kidogo tu, unaini tena, usispace sana. Let me just show you. You see hii yangu space sana. Unaona pia inakaa. Hapa ndo nimeshona. This is where I am knitting from. Unaona pia inakaa. Space sana. You see the results here. They are very smart, very smart. So guys, that's how you do it. And kaguni yako kishape, make sure umeshona huku juu. Huku hivi juu, make sure umeshona the color of your choice. Like for me, I prefer these colors because they are somewhat dull and they can survive anywhere. Kama kuna mtoto kama pia ni watu wakubwa, it can also do good. So like umeshona huku nyuma, like huku umekata ukishape ndo isitokane. This I have used almost two yarns of strings, and I know I'm going to use 4 more. This is for my client. Na kunipea kazi, akunipea like rank nitatumia. So I decided to choose my own color and nikaamua nimtumie hiyo. Also you'll need a pair of scissors. Ndio place ona zimenuka sana, trim because hapo kauzi mtu akishika tu vya inue ameharibu yote, like amedonisha yote. So guys, that is how you make a doormat. It is also, by the way, it is, some people want to live through this, but for me, I just do for my friends, like lakini si bure, they pay me something, but for me I prefer doing it for my best friends, like nashonia mtu kama kajifu nampelekea. Also kama umependeza sana, una inbox like na kushonea yako na kucharge amount hivi. So guys, let me just ask you, sincerely speaking, maybe inakushua kitu na kashona, how much do you think I should charge for this? This is a very big one. I'll use 5 minis. I'll use just 5, almost 6 yarns of strings. And mkumbuke labor ni unachoka. Labor ya si mchezo guys. So guys, just tell me how much I should charge for this. And kama hujalewa na mahali, unaweza inbox nikuelezee, ama like unaweza niambia nifanyie live video. I'll do it, explaining to you how to do it, because I think I'll just do a live video showing you as I wind up this kamati yangu hapa. I'll do a live video showing you how to do it live on the video. Muone pia nyinyi, uniambie madam jaelewa na pia where you want to me to elaborate further, because guys, this is what I do. Like I love doing maths tena sana nikiwa free. This is what I do. So guys, meanwhile, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, comment hapo chini na uniambie what do you want to know more about easy handmade, like the handmade doormats. What do you want to know more about them? And inbox me, I'll just answer you, or if possible I do a video showing you how to do it. So guys, meanwhile, It's just that. Let me just pack my things, because this thing is not easy. It is tiresome. Unachoka mgongo kwenye kweli. So I just pack them nicely, because my daughter can do wonders. Hata wewe ushangae, my daughter can do wonders. So me, kama sifanya uwe ni roll hivi, naweka chini ya meza, because I don't think if I'm going to do it today. Maybe tomorrow, if there are questions, you can ask me and I'll be able to answer you. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for liking and commenting up. Remember to subscribe. That's the only way you can support me here on my YouTube. Thank you for being part of me and my dear family, and I love you so much. So guys, bye for now, and nawapenda sana. Bye.